Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic and Beyond. We continue to explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures. And today we'll look at syncopated running finish and quick open reverse with reverse pivot. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we start with syncopated running finish. We use this figure instead of turning lock, and we will finish in closed position. So man starts with right foot, back to side and diagonally forward. After this we will dance also interesting figure, quick open reverse, and we will continue with reverse pivot. So we will have quite syncopated timing. So man starts with right foot, forward to side, back and back with reverse pivot. Now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us syncopated running finish. 1 and 2, 3. Very good. From opposite angle. Notice footwork for lady is similar to turning lock, so she starts with toe. 1 and 2, 3. And now let's put together syncopated running finish and quick open reverse with reverse pivot. And 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Very good. From opposite angle. And please also notice in quick open reverse, first two steps for man are with heel lead. And 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. And now let's look at what we can dance before these figures. We will start with natural spin turn, and because it's beginning of our routine, we do preparation step, then dance natural spin turn, overturned version with syncopated running finish, and then quick open reverse with reverse pivot. Very good. And now from opposite angle, this time with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Now after reverse pivot we will continue with reverse figures, double reverse overspin, reverse turn and contra check. So we dance double reverse spin with extra pivot, then second half of reverse turn, and we dance contra check. Very good. Let's do it again with teaching count this time. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1. And now let's put all figures together in our choreography. So we start with preparation step, then natural spin turn, overturned, syncopated running finish, quick open reverse with reverse pivot, double reverse overspin, reverse turn into contra check. And now from opposite angle. So notice some technical details. Preparation is with heel lead for man. After spin turn, lady continues with toes. And then man goes with 2 heels in quick open reverse. Here is lady's heel turn. And we finish with Contra Check. And now let's look again, this time with teaching count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.